There you go.
You took a bunch of line. This is the hard part, is keeping that line tight when they come back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Letting them run's easy.
Keep her nice and tight.
If you get tired, let them know. We'll trade off.
I don't know. He's gonna.
That fish hammered that one.
Yes, he did.
Yeah, they bite a lot.
I almost ran over him.
Yeah. You got it.
We're gonna bring all the poles up.
I want either a good size silver or a good size king.
Now these are the kings. They have to have a missing adipose fin to keep them.
Right.
So if it's wild, we have to throw it back.
Well, you want to bet? I'll cut one off.
On my boat.
Chuck, is he running still? Is he coming
he's
in?
coming back.
He's coming back at
That
us.
pusher goes both ways.
Okay.
So
Keep her coming,
tight.
baby. Keep her coming. Keep her coming.
you can stop reeling if he pulls hard. But
You're
if he-
fine. You're fine. You're gonna keep her coming. You're gonna bring this one right in the goddamn bowl. I don't care if your arms fall off.
That's why I tell people, don't reel when they're running. You're gonna need all that energy
Yep.
to reel them back
Yep.
up. Just wear yourself out getting no line. So now's the time. Okay.
Oh,
rest,
yeah,
let
babe.
him pull. Let him pull. Just rest yourself. Hold on.
king.
Let him
Oh,
don't reel again.
yes, Dad. That's a nice
They ain't
one.
even silver.
That's a
No,
nice
that's
one.
a
I
big
saw
one.
him. He's up on the surface out there.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
That might
There
be
you
a
go.
silver.
Maybe it is a silver.
Well, he jumped.
I don't
Looks
think
like
so.
he's
He's
pulling
pretty
hard.
damn black.
You can't take this.
No. You're
Come on,
fine.
Chuck.
Just bring him in, Dad.
It'll
You're
get
fine.
easier. He's
You're
getting
fine.
tired now.
You're getting tired. You're all right. Just keep her rolling.
Here, we'll go towards him a little bit. I don't want to go towards him too much because we might get flat line. Make it a little easier for you.
You're fine. You're doing good.
He's coming right at you. You got it.
Is that the flasher? Oh, there it is.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's
okay.
a fish behind that flasher.
Oh yeah, there is. Keep her rolling.
Almost there, Chuck.
You got her right there. You're doing fine. You're doing fine.
Oh, yeah.
You're doing fine. Rod tip up. Rod tip up. Rod tip up.
That looks like a king. That's a king.
Woo!
Oh, nice.
Nice
Good job.
fish.
There you go.
Wild, like every freaking game we caught.
Oh,
Wild.
Gotta release him.
Yeah.
Gotta release him. That's all right though. I want. You all right?
Yeah.
Tired?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I want you to stand next. So we're gonna get. Can we get a shot of that one, though, Carl?
Yeah, they got a wreck. They can't come on the boat, but
Okay.
kind of work it out here.
We'll get it close.
That's a shame. It's a
Holy
teenage.
shit. Nice fish.
Yeah. Hen.
Get this other hook out. There's a needle those pliers on that. Other ones, there you go.
Now, when you get back to Iowa, you
Now,
had to
Dad, I
turn-
want you to
had to
take-
turn a 40-pounder loose.
Yeah.
Native.
Hey, I want you to stand next to that, Dad.
Go over on this other side here.
Oh fuck.
Okay,
Yeah,
there you go.
that's,
Get the camera up
Fat
behind
that
me.
son of a bitch is.
Get the camera up behind me. There you go.
that's a nice one.
That is a teenage.